everybody. It's Miss Hildreth again. Finally got the last clue to work. So, this is clue number 2. In 75 BC, Caesar was kidnapped and held for ransom by pirates from Cilicia, I think. Caesar quickly moved up the ranks in the Roman government. He was elected to consul when he was 40 years old. A consul was the highest ranking politician of the Roman Republic. After a 1-year term as consul, Caesar became the governor of Gaul. Caesar struck a deal with 2 of Rome's leading figures, Pompey, the great, and wealthy Crassus. The 3 men formed a political alliance that dominated Roman politics for several years. In Rome, many of the leaders became jealous of Caesar. Caesar made a lot of positive changes through public speaking, and the people loved him. Pompey became jealous, and the 2 later became enemies. Caesar had support from his people, but Pompey had the support from the aristocrats. The Senate told Caesar that if he wanted to be consul again, by law, he would have to give up command of his army. The Roman Senate viewed Caesar as a traitor when he refused to give up his army. Caesar began to make his way to Rome with his army, and in 49 BC, a civil war took place, and Julius Caesar gained control of Rome. How long was Caesar a consul? A, 1 year, B, 2 years, C, 3 years, or D, 4 years. Pick the correct answer. All right, now, this is the one that gets kind of confusing. All right, so he finally defeated Pompey after. If you remember, if you go over here to our second clue, there's a combination of like a dot and a line, and they correspond with the letters, so they represent the letters. So this first one would be, we're going to look and see if there's a dot dot. Okay, so we're going to go back. If there's a dot dot, that would be our first letter. So there's a dot dot. So we have I. All right, and so what I would suggest doing is kind of splitting up. And if you need some help, come see me. But you are going to make words that's going to tell you, that's going to answer or finish the statement of, he finally defeated Pompey after. Okay. And you'll use clue number 2, which is this one. Whoops, sorry. With your dots and lines. Okay. So if you have any questions, don't be afraid to ask. If not, have fun with clue number 2, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.